Welcome to our factory. Join us as we craft soft, fresh chapatis from premium wheat.
This batch looks excellent, very low moisture.
Good, log it and move it to storage.
As you can see, the protein levels are stable and within the certified range.
Looks good. We can approve this batch for processing.
Agreed.
Moisture content is within range.
Yeah.
Fineness and purity look good. We are clear for production.
This elasticity is perfect, right where we want it.
Agreed. The moisture reading confirms it. I'm logging the data now.
Good pulls. The elasticity score is still low. Let's extend the mixing time.
Adding the last liter of water now, speed is increasing.
The smoothness is acceptable, but check the moisture again. 45%. It's consistent with the last reading.
The viscosity levels are still too high in the third vat. We need to reduce the pressure.
Adjusting the parameters now. The texture simulation looks much better.
Everything is stable here. How are the readings on your side?
All green. The new ventilation system is working well.
The elasticity looks good, very pliable.
Moisture reading is stable at 35%, consistent with the last batch.
Look at the elasticity curve. It's exactly where we need it.
Perfect. The adjustments worked. Dough softness is optimal.
Texture is good on this batch.
Size consistency is within tolerance here.
The thickness is right on target.
Good, let's keep monitoring the surface.
The core temperature is stabilizing right on target.
Good. Let's maintain this cycle for the next 20 minutes. Hot spot on the left array. See it? Compensating now. The color looks much more uniform.
The temperature is stabilized in zone 3.
Yes, and the speed optimization is complete.
Excellent work. The heat dispersion looks good, but the timing is off.
Let's increase it by 2 milliseconds. Much better.
Try lowering the temperature on the primary valve. It's reading a bit hot.
Okay, stabilizing now. Flow rate is optimal.
We need to adjust to the flow rate in zone 1. I'm increasing the coolant pressure now. That looks optimal.
This one doesn't meet the thickness requirement. See the specification here.
Understood. I'll note the batch number for the rejects.
See this edge right here? It's slightly off.
I noticed that, but the overall batch uniformity is high.
Agreed. We can clear these for the packaging line.
Check the date code on batch 42. It seems off.
Yes, that's corrected now. Good to proceed. All checks passed. Submitting for release.
The temperature in Zone 3 is stable at 4 degrees Celsius.
Good. Log that for the morning report.
This shipment is prioritized for the hotels. Make sure the temperature holds at 38.
Got it, boss. Headed out now.
Load these pallets onto the refrigerated truck first.
Careful with the hotel order. Move it back slightly.
Careful with that stack. It's heavy.
Don't worry, I got it.
Where does this one go?
Aisle 3, near the front.
Thank you for joining us on this journey. We're proud to deliver soft, fresh chapatis made with care. Like, share, and subscribe for more.